Okay, just a quick introduction, then I get some real footage of it running. The marbles all go into the trough there, like you saw me dump them in. They head down to the elevator. The elevator takes them to a track that delivers them to the hammer. The hammer is dependent on a marble being on the teeter-totter at the hammer and one being in the staging area there. There's two switches, so it requires a marble to be in both positions to fire, as you can see happening. The hammer fires them up to this upper trough where they usually hit the pan there. Then they fall down into the red funnel. And they make their way down to the marble sling. And you can see on one or two here, they come out the bottom of that red funnel into the sling bucket, or they get thrown out through the side where that yellow arrow is. They get slammed up against a 90-degree piece of clear plastic that is pointed at here with the yellow arrow. If you watch them real close, you might see one zip by, but they're moving real fast. So this another view of it. The plastic 90-degree launcher is right there at the yellow arrow. If you watch real close, you might see one whip past that arrow. They're traveling pretty fast. There's the back side where they exit the sling, so you're actually looking through that clear plastic 90. And again, they're hard to see. You might see one whip by. So this is super slow motion. This one hits my camera. These shots here are taken from up inside the tray, looking down through the hole where the marbles go through and hit this pan here. Then they land in the tray, and then they head out the hole at the bottom of the tray there and head for the spinner. A little bit of bad editing here. I didn't show one come down the track, but they head down those tracks there to the spinner. And the spinner chucks them out the back side, and they end up in the lower trough where they all started. The machine's running really nice now. We'll just sit there and run. I got most of the little bugs worked out of it. Here you can see them come out the bottom of the spinner and shoot out the back. And then there's one last view here from the back side of the spinner. You'll see them come spinning out and end up in the trough to start their journey all over again. So there's a basic introduction, and I got some really great footage I'm gonna show. So I'm sure you'll enjoy that. Here it comes. So there it is. Pretty crazy. The marble machine. It certainly is fun to watch run. Stay tuned. I've got some pretty cool ideas for what's going to be the next component. So far we've got the elevator, the hammer, the sling, and the spinner. And I've got some really cool ideas for what's coming next. Stick around, this thing's going to get big. We're going to have some real fun watching it run. Thanks for watching.